To use Sonashi coffee machine, make sure that it's plugged in and the switch is on. Push this power button right here to turn on. Remove this one right here. Open this lid and put water inside. Put it back, make sure that it's correctly attached to the nozzle. Remove this cover right here. There are two types of this one that you need to insert right there. Open this cover right here. This one is for the coffee powder. This one right here is for the coffee capsules. Put the capsule right here. Put it back. And press these buttons right here. Once you're done, open, remove, take out the empty capsule, or remove beans or the powder. Once you're done, turn it off, remove the plug, and turn off the switch.